under Dylan's pen.
A centenary play for young voices. It is spring, the sun is gleaming, steaming, and bright in the marine blue sky. The crows are squawking. Ghosts of the fishermen are at work, and the estuary is flowing. Back and forth, to and fro, as always.
And Dylan still speaks.
If you take time to listen.
On top of St. John's Green Hill, trees stretch out their wrinkled hands
to stroke the stirring waters of the river and the sea.
Ivy leaves shine like the scales on a crocodile's back.
A tangled waterfall of vines and weeds
tumbles down the side of a cliff. Larn castles, half-moon grey walls and towers
rise like pillars supporting the sky.
A jagged puzzle now under the poet's shadow.
Dylan is the new lord of Larn.
It is my centenary year.
Feel my soul. Feel my words. For another 100 years,